आणि कोवॅक्सिन आपल्याजवळ 3 लाखापर्यंत उपलब्ध आहे. म्हणजे 7 आणि 3 साधारण 10 लाखापर्यंतची व्यवस्था ही नक्कीच आपली लगेचच झालेली आहे आणि ती आपण एक 2-4 दिवसाच्या आत 45 वर्षाच्या वरिष्ठ लोकांना ज्यांचा आता ड्यू डेट झालेला आहे ती लगेच देऊ. आणि म्हणून सातत्याने आपली मागणी करतच आहोत. आपण या मागणीप्रमाणे केंद्र शासनाने जे काही 2-4 दिवसात आणखीन डोसेस मिळतील ते सगळे आपण सेकंड डोससाठीच वापरणार आहोत. त्यामुळे तूर्त पहिल्या डोसची अपेक्षा करू नये. दुसरा डोस आपल्याला एकदा पूर्ण करावा लागेल आणि तो पूर्ण झाल्यानंतर एक 4-5-7 दिवसानंतर मग पुन्हा आपल्याला 45 दिवसाच्या अनुषंगाने किंवा उपलब्ध लसच्या अनुषंगाने आपल्याला योग्य तो निर्णय पुढच्या वेळेस घेण्यात येईल. साधारणपणे
almost for 3 years.
मिशन
At
ऑक्सिजनचा
3:30 this meeting started, and the main discussion in this meeting was about the COVID situation, about the vaccination drive, as well as about the lockdown extension. So, while speaking with media, Rajesh Tope clearly said that the cabinet has taken the decision that right now the state's priority is to give the second jab to people who are still waiting for that jab, and that's why the state government has taken decision to suspend on the temporary basis to suspend the vaccination program for 18 to 44 group, and whatever the vaccines right now the state government has got, there are 10 lakh dosages which include Covaxin as well as Covishield. Those dosages will be diverted for the vaccination of 45 plus people, because giving a second jab to these people is right now the priority of the state. That is what Rajesh Tope has briefed media.
माफ केलेली आहे. त्याच्यानंतर 150% किंवा 100% मराठवाडा आणि विदर्भासाठी 150%.
Also, speaking about the lockdown, there was a question posed by the journalist. This issue also got discussed in the cabinet meeting. There are many ministers who basically raised the concern, and also they demanded that there should be an extension of the lockdown because still the number is high. In Maharashtra right now there are 4,75,000 active cases, which were somewhere around 7 lakh or 6 to 7 lakh in past few months. But still, the cabinet ministers are of this opinion that the lockdown should be extended. But he said that the final decision Maharashtra CM will take, and he will be only announcing the extension of a lockdown if it is going to happen.
त्याला मान्यता दिली जाईल. मात्र ऑक्सिजनच्या संदर्भात आपण स्वयंपूर्ण व्हायला हवं हे माननीय मुख्यमंत्र्यांनी आणि मंत्रिमंडळाने या निमित्ताने ठरवण्यात आलेलं आहे. एकदा मला वाटतं लस उपलब्ध झाली की नक्कीच पत्रकारांच्या संदर्भातला निर्णय घेण्यात येईल. परंतु लस उपलब्ध होऊ द्या अगोदर सेकंड डोसचा महत्त्वाचा विषय आपल्याला संपवावा लागेल. मी सांगितलं त्या पद्धतीनं जर आदर पुनावालांनी जसं सांगितलंय, मुख्यमंत्र्यांना शब्द दिलाय की 20 मेच्या नंतर आपण 1.5 कोटी दर महिन्याला देऊ, आणि तो जर का राज्य शासनाच्या दृष्टिकोनातून उपलब्ध होत असेल, सरकारसाठी गोरगरिबांसाठी लस ही उपलब्ध होत असेल, तर त्याच्यात निश्चित प्रकारे पत्रकारांना आग्रहपूर्वक आम्ही मुख्यमंत्र्यांना सुद्धा मांडलेलं आहे आणि त्यावेळेस योग्य तो विचार निश्चित प्रकारे केला जाईल. मला असं वाटतं की ज्या अर्थी लोकल ट्रेन म्हणजे आता सध्या तूर्त एक्सटेन्शन देण्यात
also the issue and how to give treatment and what steps should be taken in the Maharashtra to restrict the number, that was also there.
छोट्या मोठ्या ज्या काही महत्त्वाच्या बाबी असतात ह्यातल्या की बाबा काय करावं काय नाही करू, तर या बाबतीतला अंतिम निर्णय हा 15 तारखेपर्यंत, कारण आज आपली 11 तारीख आहे ना, 12 तारीख आहे. तर 13, 14, 15 अजून 2-3 दिवसानंतर त्याची जी काही ज्या काही डू अँड नॉट टू डू काय जे काही गोष्टी असतील तर त्याबाबतचा सविस्तर नोटिफिकेशन ही सेपरेट निर्गमित करण्यात येईल आणि मला वाटतं की महाराष्ट्राच्या जनतेला त्याबाबतच्या अधिक सविस्तर सूचना देण्यात येतील. आज फक्त सुतोवाच एवढाच करेल की मंत्रिमंडळाच्या इन जनरल सदस्यांची
right now again saying the thing that about the lockdown, that a lot of ministers, the cabinet ministers are of this opinion that there should be extension of a lockdown by another 15 days. And the final decision the Maharashtra CM will be taking.
वॅक्सिन ही ग्लोबल टेंडरमध्ये घेण्यात यावी अशी मागणी सुद्धा बऱ्यापैकी सर्व लोकांनी या ठिकाणी केली. पण ग्लोबल टेंडर
Also in the
करून
meeting, cabinet ministers have said that the vaccine which was not involved in the global tender, that should also be incorporated, because earlier Maharashtra government had floated the global tender for many things, including the PSA plans, including the remdesivir and other other medicines. But for vaccination, they had under Russian direct investment, they had directly contacted the Sputnik, but Sputnik has not responded yet regarding the price. That's why many ministers in the cabinet meeting raised this issue that there are many vaccines available in the global market, and they have been tested, and many other countries have already given those vaccines to their residents. So that's why even Maharashtra government should consider floating a global tender for this vaccination, and if they get a response from these companies, then they should speak to the state government, should speak with the center for giving approval to these available vaccines, because there is already shortage of vaccines. The Serum Institute as well as Bharat Biotech have informed the state government that till last week of May they won't be able to give the desired stock of the vaccine to the state. Even Rajesh Tope informed the media that Adar Poonawalla had word with Maharashtra CM, and he had said that till 20th of May, we won't be able to give you the desired quantity or desired stock of the vaccine, and that's why it needs to wait.
1 मई से महाराष्ट्र सरकार ने जो टीकाकरण शुरुआत किया था उसको करीबन हम 5 लाख लोगों के ऊपर 5-6 लाख लोगों के ऊपर टीकाकरण हुआ भी है, लेकिन उसको हमारे को आज एबियंस का मतलब है तुरंत स्थगित करना पड़ रहा है, इसलिए कि सेकंड डोज 45 एज ग्रुप के आगे का ड्यू हो चुका है, जो भारत सरकार की जिम्मेदारी का काम है, लेकिन वह डोज पूरी तादाद में नहीं मिल रहा है। इसलिए अगर हम सेकंड टीकाकरण टाइम पे नहीं करेंगे तो पहले टीकाकरण का कोई परिणाम नहीं रहेगा, और इसीलिए हमने ये निर्णय लिया है कि जो टीके महाराष्ट्र सरकार ने 18 से 44 उम्र के लोगों के लिए खरीदी किए थे, परचेज किए थे, उसमें से पूरी की पूरी मात्रा वो कोविशील्ड की हो या कोवैक्सीन की हो, वो हम 45 इयर्स के जो राष्ट्रीय टीकाकरण जो भारत सरकार की जिम्मेदारी का काम है उसकी तरफ हम ट्रांसफ़र कर रहे हैं, और इसलिए 18 से 44 साल के उम्र का टीकाकरण महाराष्ट्र में तुरंत यानी टेम्पररी बेसिस के लिए हम स्थगित कर रहे हैं। हमें आशा है कि अदर पूनावाला जी जिन्होंने जो कोविशील्ड बनाते हैं उन्होंने मुख्यमंत्री जी को शब्द दिया है, एक वायदा किया है कि हम 20 तारीख के आगे ज़रूर 1.5 करोड़ डोसेस देंगे। अगर वो फाइनल होता है तो ज़रूर 18 से 44 का
So that's the latest statement here that is coming from Maharashtra. A very big decision here that has been taken, which is going to be directly impacting the universal vaccination drive for India. This is coming in from a huge state of Maharashtra. The government confirming that they have temporarily halted the vaccination drive for the 18+ group. And they've also said here stocks that should have been provided by the central government for the second dose of the 45+ group has not been provided. That's why the state government is going to be using its own stocks here and diverting that as a priority only for the second dose of the 45+ group. Mayuresh, this is an important decision that has been taken by the Maharashtra government. Our deputy news editor Mayuresh has been tracking those inputs here, but it's also a very telling statement as far as the central government's handling even for the 45+ group is concerned, where the Maharashtra government says that these were stocks that we bought for the 18+ group, but we will divert it for the second dose of the 45+ group as a priority now.
Absolutely, and Maharashtra government has taken this decision. The cabinet has given its nod to this particular decision because if you remember yesterday only, when the video conference happened between Uddhav Thackeray, Rajesh Tope, and the concerned officials from the health department, that time only this idea had come that it is always better to give the second jab to people who are waiting for it. Because if we talk about the people, there are more than 16 lakh people who are waiting for the second jab of Covishield, as well as there are more than 5 lakh people who are waiting for the Covax in the state. And that's why the state government has taken this decision. Also, state government had procured a small quantity of these vaccines, but now since there is a kind of a shortage and the vaccination supply is also not on the regular basis, or whatever the stock the state government is basically expecting from the center, they are not getting it, and that's why the state government has decided to divert that particular stock which they have procured for the group of 18 to 44 for the 45 plus. Another important point which Rajesh Tope mentioned in his press conference is that Adar Poonawalla had basically spoken with Maharashtra CM Uddhav Thackeray, and he said that till 20th of May, Serum Institute won't be able to give any kind of supply or the large quantity supply to the Maharashtra. But after that, every month the Serum Institute has said that they will be giving at least 1 crore dosages to the Maharashtra. So it will be interesting to see that after 20th of May, when the Maharashtra will start getting the regular supply from the Serum Institute, that time he said that we will again think about restarting the vaccination program for 18 to 44 group, which have been temporarily suspended as of now.
Right. So this is, of course, temporarily suspended till they get those stocks as promised following 20th of May onwards here. But Mayuresh, this is now also going to be a lot for the central government to answer, because phase 2 45 plus was something that was being handled by the central government as well. And those stocks have dried up entirely.
Absolutely, because the main responsibility lies on the central government, especially if we talk about the vaccination of 45 and above group. Because if you remember, when this drive initially started, that time the central government has basically procured all these drugs, all these vials, and they were only providing these dosages to the state government, and then state government used to circulate those in the corporation area and in other parts of their state. But now center needs to answer. Because state has clearly said that we are not getting the supply which center was supposed to do, and that's why we had to take decision of diverting these vaccines which were procured for a group of 18 to 45 for the 45 and plus up.
Mayuresh, many thanks for getting us those details here. Maharashtra being the first government here to announce that they have temporarily halted the 18 plus vaccination drive for that category. With that, we're slipping into a very tiny breather here. Stay on with us.